Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's video, meron na naman tayo mathematical question na nanggagaling sa unang hirit na tinanong ang mga taga Philippine Science High School difficult round. And here's the question. In how many distinct ways can the letters of the phrase unang hirit be arranged so that the letters of the word unang are grouped together and the letters of the word hirit are also grouped together? Makikita naman natin sa naka-underline dito, distinct ways po ang hinahanap. Kapag distinct ways po, gagamitin natin ang factorial. What do you mean po by factorial? Yan po yung may nakalagay na exclamation point sa dulo ng number. Papansin naman natin na ang salitang unang hirit are divided into two. So it means the letters of the word unang as well as hirit must stay together. Okay? Since nakahati siya sa dalawa, we will take that as 2 factorial with exclamation point. So, since nakahati siya sa dalawa, unay muna natin ang first block. What is the first block dito? Very good, that's the word unang. Sa word na unang, ilang letters bang meron dito? Very good, that's 5. So, we will put 5 factorial over the letter repeated or the letter or letters repeated. Eh, anong letter ang naulit dito? Very good, that's letter N. Ilang beses ba siya naulit? Very good, that's 2. So, we will put this as 5 factorial over 2 factorial. Now, in order for us to divide 5 factorial sa 2 factorial, we need to spread out the factorial first. Paano po? Kapag 5 factorial, we will take the factors of these hanggang umabot sa number 1 as well sa 2 factorial. Which is 2 times 1. Okay? Makita naman natin dito na may like term siya, which is 2 and 1. So, we will disregard that. Kaya, we will focus here. 5 times 4 is 20. This is 20. 20 times 3, very good, is 60. So, there are 60 ways sa first block. Now, focus naman natin ang second block. Okay? Which is the word hirit. Just like what I did a while ago, ilang letters po ang meron sa salitang ihirit? Very good, that's 5. So, 5 factorial ulit. Eh, anong letter ang naulit? Very good, that's letter I. Eh, ilang beses siya naulit? Very good, that's 2. So, that's 2 factorial. Papansin naman natin na parehas niya ang salitang unang. So, we will just take the answer of 60 ways as well. So, since nakuha na natin ang first block at saka ang second block, and now, we will multiply the first block, which is 60, times the second block, which is 60 as well, at saka yung number of blocks, which is 2 factorial. 2 factorial is equal to 2. Okay? So, i-multiply muna natin to. 60 times 60. Very good. That's 3,600. Times 2. So, ang number of distinct ways nito ay 7,200 ways. I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernard Escorial. Stacker out.